Before we get into this video, I want everybody to subscribe, support the channel. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers and more. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Welcome everybody to another video of I Want It For Free, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Trust Mantis PC laptop streaming, yeah, it's just a mic that I bought from Argos. It's the GXT 232 streaming microphone by Mantis model. Yeah, it comes with a lot of things, specifications, microphone type, condenser, frequency range 50 Hz to 16 Hz, max SPL 115 dumbbell. See, I don't even know what all these things are, but I've read some really good reviews about it on Argos, and yeah, literally every single one was just 5 star. So yeah, these are just like the side angles, that's what the bottom looks like, that's what the top looks like. If you buy something from Argos, you get the yellow tag. So yeah, now let's dive right in. So first, what you need to do is cut the little seals off from either side. Let me try my best to do it gently. But yeah, it's quite simple. You should be using a knife, but hey, we live in life around here. We live in life. Yeah, so just want to open up. Once you open up gently, this is what you're presented with. Little thing there. You can tell you pull it out that way, and boom, this is the first box that you get. I have no idea what's inside of it. I'm just going to leave it to the side over here. Now let's move on to inside. Let's see. The mic is actually just inside of it, and boom, here's the mic itself, and it also comes with a sticker and 2 manuals, and that is all that's inside the box, and we don't need that anymore. Actually, you know what, for aesthetics, I'm just going to leave it to, I'm going to put this on the side. In my head, it just, in my opinion, I think it would just look really nice if it's just here in the corner of this video, so people know what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what you get. This is the microphone itself. First impressions, we don't need this. First impressions is it's pretty rigid, like pretty, feels durable, strong plastic. See, none of that cheap stuff. And yeah, like, this feels good grip in your hand, even though you won't be holding it. Feels good and sturdy. The thingies feel nice. I don't understand why they have this in the middle. Hopefully that doesn't affect the quality. Probably won't, but let's see. And yeah, in this video I'm also going to be putting the recording of using the mic, so you guys can hear how it sounds as well. I'll do the normal one and yeah, the mic one as well. This is the USB. Its output is USB, so you plug the USB into your computer. It's that simple. You don't need no power or anything, just PC, plug it in, that's all you need. And here's the manual. Oh, it's the manual to set everything up. Nice. And it also shows you how to set it to default. You don't need to, but hey, you can if you want to. And yeah, it's that simple. Literally just plug it in and then you go. Plug it in, it downloads the drivers, and you're ready to go. And this, literally no one ever reads this, so don't need that. But the sticker here, it looks quite nice. Pretty good sticker, Yeah, that's a pretty good sticker still. Might just stick it somewhere, Yep, now that's up there. And yeah, so let's just put this to the side for a moment. And let's just look what's inside here. And I'm assuming it's the rest of the equipment to set it up. The tripod, I mean. So yeah. Oh. A few things inside. And that is everything inside of that box. And this is the pop filter. I think this is what that's called. That's what this is called. The pop filter. This thing to adjust the pop filter. And the small tripod. And this small tripod, I just want to say off the hand, right off the back, yeah, it looks pretty cool. Seems pretty cool. Yeah, it pops right into place. Wow, it's pretty rigid, you know. Not gonna break unless you fucking sit on it. But yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, good stuff right there. Wow. And yeah, let's just set this up, okay, together. I'll just run through the manual how to do it. I'm gonna go to step one. Step one is literally, you just wanna put the wire in through where the lines are. My bad. Yeah, quite embarrassing, but we good. We still moving. We still moving. So I guess this is what's gonna like prevent the mic picking up those little vibrations, you know, when you move around, or if your mic gets moved whilst you're doing something. And wow, look, it holds it in place nicely. And yeah, it does recommend to do that. Put it in like that. That sort of like way, and boom. Wait, put it up a bit so they can move about a bit, you know. You don't want to be too tight. And then step two is literally, you grab this. Hopefully you guys can see step two. Yeah, you definitely can see step two. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe, people. Subscribe to the video. I'm just gonna get it out. See, this is quite annoying because it's rubber. You know what? Boom. If they don't come to us, we go to it. And then now what you want to do is literally put it through these holes. Put it through the holes. Yep, just like that. Put it right through those holes. Ooh, I think I took it out a bit too much, but yeah. Just want to put that screw back on. Put that, tighten that a bit, and then you move on. Oh, then you get the bad boy. So you get this guy, and yeah, you pretty much just tying it on. I really don't see how this works. Oh, I think you just keep twisting it until it kind of like goes into it. If you're gonna twist it. See, this is like a quick tip, guys. What you want to do is put this on first, because that just makes so much more sense. And boom, that was so much more easier. Trying to put that on first, and then push it through the little holes. And yeah, pretty much, people, pretty much that is about it. And then the rest, literally just plug into your laptop or computer, your PC, and then it will literally download the drive, and then you just go from there. But as far as I'm concerned, yeah, this is literally the next step. And if you want to make it default, it tells you how to make it default. So this is how you make it default, and then this is how you increase the volume. And yeah, so you guys are gonna hear me talk now with the mic on. I mean, without the mic and then with the mic. So yeah. Hello there, guys. This is what I sound like without the mic and with my normal PC mic. Hopefully, yeah, this is a pretty normal. Actually, it's a Core i7 10th generation laptop, so it might have a pretty good mic in it, but you would definitely see the difference. And yeah, this is what I sound like with the mic. And yeah, Hopefully you guys can tell a difference. Yeah, pretty much, like, I'm just going to talk about random stuff. Subscribe, yes, subscribe. And yeah, there we go. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a lovely day.